Hello everybody, today's video is going to be a tutorial on this eyeshadow look right here. Super colorful and fun, and if you would like to see that, just keep watching. So for this look today, I am using this Ultimate eyeshadow palette from NYX, and I'm starting off with a pink and placing it right in the center of my crease and really packing on that color. Then to blend it out so that there's no harsh lines, I'm just using a little blender brush and buffing that on. Now I'm going into this nice sky blue shade, and I'm doing the same exact pattern that I just did with the pink, packing it on and then buffing it out. Now to transition those two shades, I am patting on a purple into the center of the pink and blue, and I'm patting it on so that I can have a really nice purple pigment. And then to create my lines, I'm just putting my tape on the outside and packing some red onto that outer corner. And I decided that I wanted some more intensity with this look, so I went back in with each shade with one of my favorite Tarte flat shadow brushes that picks up color really well, and I just packed that on close to the crease with each shade that I used. The blue, the purple, the pink, and the red. And you better believe it, we are going to cut the crease. We're going all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Of course, I actually went the other way. I started at the outside and then pulled it into the inside. And I'm just using a concealer and a flat brush for that. Now, you can never have too much glitter, so I'm actually using a NYX glitter glue, just like I used in my last tutorial, and I'm using a flat shadow brush that's very, very small for detail work, and placing the glitter glue onto the top of the cut crease and then coordinating with the shadow color, so the blue, the purple, the pink, and the red, and placing a glitter over top. Now the glitter that I'm using here is honestly just craft glitter. Then I went ahead and did a winged liner, which unfortunately I didn't get on tape, and then I continued to do my face. And like I already said before, a girl can never have enough glitter, so I'm going in with the Stila liquid eyeshadow in Diamond Dust, and I'm placing some glitter onto the inner corner. Now that I've already done the face, of course, I'm now going in with the yellow, orange, and a green, and I'm placing that onto the lower lash line to kind of finish the whole color wheel or rainbow, whichever way you like to think of it. So I've got the orange on the outer corner, then yellow, and transitioning into green for the inner corner. Then I placed on some falsies and blended it in with some mascara, and then finished the look with the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Trophy Wife. And there you have it, the finished look. I am obsessed with all the colors. Alright everybody, so that is it. If you liked this video and this tutorial on this eyeshadow look, then just let me know in the comments down below, and if you really liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!